Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2013 Ford F-250 Super Duty 4x4 6.7 Powerstroke diesel with only 67 miles. This truck right here comes loaded with the LARIAT package, which include all the normal power options, navigation, sunroof. As you can see, this truck's already lifted. It came with a 6-inch all suspension lift. It's currently riding on 37, 1350, 20s TOYO Open Countries MTs, and we just put a brand new set of wheels from 20x12s fuels. This truck is very nice inside and out. It is white, but it's got the nice sparkly finish to it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Sun is going down. It does come with remote start. There it is. Everything's working as it should. Everything works inside. The body's in great shape. I haven't seen any dings or dents on it. Walk around it. There you can see how straight the body is. This truck right here comes with keyless entry, so you can lock your keys in and just put the code in there. It also has amp research drop-down running boards. Very neat. No running boards. Running boards. Interior is clean. Carpet's in good shape. That was your floor mat right there. Leather's in good shape. It's not ripped, even though it's got a 6-inch lift from 37s. There is your sunroof. You got steering wheel controls. You got adjustable pedals here. See what else we have. Open up your back door so you can see the back seat. It's in good shape. Comes with a compartment over here where you can store whatever you would like. Rear center console, cup holders. You got a nice doubled-in radio screen that controls everything. You got AC plug-in right here. If you want to plug in your microwave or coffee maker, there you are. It also comes with a factory trailer brake controller with auxiliary switches there for you. There's another plug right here. Right there. Let's go ahead and turn the key on. There you go. It is a clean truck. If you're in the market looking for a nice pickup truck, give us a call. 540-898-8300. This truck is available now at driveplatinum.com. If you're on the social media, don't forget to give us a follow on Facebook. We are also on Instagram, so you can find us on there. 540-898-8300. Thank you for watching.